In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate voice using AI in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn your written text into a natural-sounding voiceover directly inside your project, without leaving the editor. Start by opening the Canva project you want to work on. Once you're in the design editor, look to the left side of the screen. That vertical panel is where Canva keeps tools and features you can add to your design. Find the option labeled AI Voice and click it. If your project is open and you're in the editing view, the AI voice option should appear in that left-hand panel. Next, choose the language you want the voice to speak. Pick the language that matches the text you plan to type. Sticking to one language helps the pronunciation and pacing sound more natural. If your text includes regional words or spellings, select the language variant that best fits your audience. After the language, choose a voice from the list of available options. You'll see a few different voices under each language. Each voice has its own tone and style. Some sound warmer and friendlier, others are more neutral or formal. Think about the mood of your content and select the voice that matches your brand or message. You can always switch voices later if you want to compare. Now, enter your script in the text box. Write clearly, using punctuation to guide how the voice will read. Commas and periods help create natural pauses. If you care about how numbers are read, consider spelling them out. For acronyms, add periods if you want them read letter by letter. If a word or name has a tricky pronunciation, try writing it phonetically in parentheses right after the first mention. Keep sentences concise so the delivery feels smooth, and avoid all caps unless you want something emphasized strongly. When your text looks good, click Generate AI Voice. Canva will create the voiceover from your text. This may take a moment depending on the length of your script. Once it's generated, you'll be able to hear the result right in your project. If something sounds off, just adjust your text. Tweak punctuation, change wording for clarity, or pick a different voice, and generate again until it matches the tone you want. And that's it. You've selected AI voice, chosen a language and voice, entered your text, and generated the voice. With a few thoughtful text edits and the right voice choice, you can produce a clean, consistent narration for your design in just a few clicks. Thanks for watching, and happy creating.